What is up, you guys? We are kind of on our final day right before we leave and take flight to Orlando. I just got in a quick little arm day pump. We did 30 minutes of cardio. My coach cut back my cardio because I was dropping weight like crazy. I just drank like a whole liter of water, so I'm kind of full of water. We started water shredding yesterday, so I woke up extremely lean this morning. Look at this arm day pump. Look at these arms. My arms are honestly so sore. She had me doing 30, I can't even think, 30 reps, 3 sets of 30 for each arm workout. And my arms feel like jello. I used literally 5 pounds, and that was enough to kill me. I am extremely low energy. I am extremely exhausted. And I just have today to finish up, and it's smooth sailing. I can't even talk because I'm so exhausted after that. I'm gonna go to my salon. I'm gonna go get my hair done. I'm gonna finish packing, and that's kind of the end of our journey. So I'm gonna touch back with y'all probably the day of show, because basically we just have registration, media day, and then show day. So we are 3 days away from show. No more workouts, just clean eating, resting the body, and shredding the water, which is super exciting. All right, guys, so we are in the kitchen cooking. I have chicken in the oven. I don't know if you can see those little babies. I just finished up my sweet potato, and I have them packaged and frozen. I have bought some frozen green beans. So we have all of our foods ready. I'm wearing a robe because it's just super chilly in here. I don't know why it's so cold. But pretty much everything's packed. Suitcase is packed. I actually organized my suitcase. Look at those cookies. We have cookies from Fat and Weird Cookies, cookies from my cookie dealer, and then I also have Buckeye Brownie, but I have to go check to see if it's shipped. But yeah, everything is packed. I just have to let the chicken cook, put it in the freezer overnight. We'll take it out in the morning, and then off to Orlando we will be. So everything's pretty much done. I actually had someone come and clean my place up, so look how like nice and neat my bedroom is. Ooh. I got my hair done. I got some cute tinsel put in. I got my eyelashes done. I bought some makeup. So we pretty much have everything that we need. So this is gonna, I guess, end our vlog for peak week. Wish me luck. The next time that I start vlogging again, I'll be on stage. I'm gonna try to have this uploaded probably during either registration or during media day, but I'm just gonna take it easy and not really vlog too much during those days. But I'll definitely have a show day vlog for y'all coming after this. Okay, so we're here in Orlando. I've been here since 12. It is 3 o'clock. Our room still isn't ready. I checked all my luggage in, and I'm just waiting for my room. I can't get my meals in because they're all frozen in my luggage, and I just have no way to scale out and defrost them unless I like take apart my whole suitcase in the middle of the lobby. Luckily, I found some grilled chicken breast at the market, so I ate that, but I'm still short 2 other meals, which is really annoying. I have water, so I just spent $30 on water, but I'm really annoying because I have bougie taste buds and I only like Essentia water, so this water is nasty and tastes like tap water, and I'm just really upset about that. And the fact that I spent $30 on 3 water bottles is also upsetting. Also, I have to be ready for media day by 4:30, I think, 4:30, 4:45, and I don't even have a room. So we're just sitting out here in Florida by ourselves for 3 hours. Okay, so we have a room. It's not the right room. They just did not know when our room was going to be available or when we'll be able to get our room. So they're like, well, we have a king suite available right now if you want to take it, and then we can switch to our actual room tomorrow. So I just took the king suite, and will be moved to the correct room tomorrow, which is the one that we paid for. The fact that I waited, this is a really pretty view. I'm not going to complain. We waited 3 hours for this. Still no luggage. So I have to be ready in less than an hour. And I have nothing to get ready with until they bring it up. But at least we get to lay down for a second and relax. All right, guys, so good things are happening. They just messaged me or called me on the phone. And they're like, are you ready for your luggage to be brought up? Am I ready? Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready for my luggage to be brought up. This has been so chaotic. I hate traveling. I should have came a day before registration, but it is what it is. We're gonna have a good time. Look how cool this is. We're getting our meals all cooked. Thank you, Amazon. Okay, so here are some behind the scenes of media day. Basically, we just wore all white for our team. So everybody in white was on my team. This was my outfit. And we got our numbers and we basically got the setup for show day. So nothing too crazy. It was a pretty long and exhausting day that day. Okay, so rise and shine and good morning. I'm extremely tired this morning. This was me after I did my makeup. I heated up my oatmeal with protein powder mixed in. I had no hot water, so I used the coffee maker, and it made a mess, to say the least. So then I had to drain the water, and it was just a hot mess, you guys. But you know what? Look how gross that is. Ew. But I was able to drain the water and make it into real oatmeal after that. Okay, good morning, everybody. We're doing our photo shoot, and we have our oatmeal. It is a beautiful day. And we are one day out from the show. Okay, so I just finished my photo shoot. It went by super fast, super seamless, really easy. I'm sitting on the couch lobby, relaxing, drinking some coffee. I'm gonna go back to my room and get ready for media day here in a second. But, you know, it's good vibes out here. So I'm just taking it all in, one moment at a time. Relaxing is all you can do. I forgot to mention that we got extra carbs in, so that's super exciting. A little bit extra calories, so that means that we're filling out and we are going to peak tomorrow. And I am so excited to show you my end physique. I just did my morning check-ins. I'm gonna check in again tonight. And then tomorrow I'm gonna show you all the glitz and glam. Okay, so I grilled up some sweet potato and some chicken for my meal. I'm actually getting ready for media day. So we have registration and then we have media day, which we meet all the athletes. The theme is neon. So I had this cute little pink dress, super fluffy. Someone told me I look like a loofah. That's okay. Sweet potatoes and meals and water, all prepped. Okay, so after media day, I did a photo shoot this morning. We did media day. I got in my jumpsuit, and now we are doing check-ins. So I just met with my coach, kind of went over my posing, my overall physique, kind of seeing like where we're at and how we're looking. And it's looking good. Just did my in-person check-in, and this is kind of like my end physique. We did change. We're gonna carb load a little bit tomorrow, but I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited to show y'all. This is what we're looking like so far. What a beautiful wellness body. Look how good that looks. I know we're lacking sunlight and good lighting. I'm about to take another water pill. I'm gonna have one more meal at the end of the day, and then we have tomorrow. So we did adjust meals. So we have nice carbs to fill all these beautiful muscles out. But yes, I feel so confident. I'm loving the curviness of my body this time around. I'm loving the muscularity. Like, look at these amazing shoulders. So yeah, tomorrow is show day. Ooh, nerves are there for sure. Nerves are there for sure. Okay, so this is actually show day. I was so excited filming this. This is my morning check-in video. This was me completely depleted. You can see my butt looks very small. Oh my God. But yeah, we are completely depleted. Water is shredded. I was allowed a cup of coffee, and then we ate some carbs, which you're going to see here in a minute. And then we got our final spray tan in. So that was nice. I went down and got hair and makeup done. So this is my spray tan. Glitter was added in there, which is super exciting. I went with blue contacts, and I went with a pretty bold look. I just wanted to go all out. Everything is coral. Everything is popping. And yeah. Look at this big hair and this gorgeous makeup. I can't wait to try on my swimsuit, and show is in 2 hours. Okay, so I'm really in love with my suit. Yeah, this was a custom-made bikini by, I think her name is pronounced Stepanka. I'll list her down below, but she killed it. Going forward, she is the only person who is allowed to design my bikinis because I was just obsessed with this. So this is actually me backstage. This is right before stage, and this is during stage. Someone was able to sneak a quick little video in for me, which is amazing. And for those who are asking how we did, well, we got second place of wellness. This is me eating my Buckeye brownie. It was so good. I had so many sweets this day. But it was such an experience, you guys. I have placed at every show. This is me pro wellness bikini. And I also got my show video that I'm going to insert here. And I'm just going to leave some music on and let that play over this, because look at this body. And of course, we had to finish with Universal and Disney World. Churros, all the junk food, everything. It was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all found it interesting. Please like and subscribe.